Guys, Richard Constable here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get started with ClickFunnels affiliate program. You can join for free if that's what you're wondering. So what you do is you actually go to whatsyourdreamcar.com. Okay, whatsyourdreamcar.com, and it takes you to this page very slowly. And on this page, you just fill out all your details here, and it actually takes you, once you log in, it goes to this page, and you're kind of sitting there being like, well, what do I do from here? Don't know why it takes you straight there, but it does. And then you can have a read through and decide to promote this specific challenge if you want, or you can just go to affiliates, ClickFunnels, affiliate login here. It's a little bit convoluted, and then this gives you your page here. So this is all the stuff that you can. So I've literally just set that up, and this is all the stuff you can promote. So you won't be able to promote this because you're on a tier 3. There's 3 tiers. I think when I previously asked, they said it was $1,400, but when I read an article recently, they said $1,000, and then it opens up tier 2, and then you can promote ClickFunnels directly. You can also promote funnel scripts and various other programs that they sell, which is pretty cool. So there you go. Pretty simple. There's lots of stuff, lots of cool things. You just kind of click on the one and have a look at the links. Do kind of recommend to be using the stuff you're trying to promote rather than just like blindly promoting stuff. But you know, it's up to you really. Okay. But it's always good just to be passionate and know what you're selling. Okay. So if you're not really sure how to get started and you're new to ClickFunnels, then I do highly recommend trying the One Funnel Away Challenge. One Funnel Away Challenge is 30 days of coaching, onefunnelaway.com, and it just gets you started. You know, it's only $100. You get $3,000 worth of bonuses with it. And it, you know, even if you just watched it like a Netflix series, you'd learn a lot and it would be really interesting. But if you're implementing along the way, you can actually start your own business, your own affiliate business. You can be an affiliate for ClickFunnels. And so on top of all of this, I've actually got a few bonuses that you might be interested in if you sign up via my link under the video. And the bonuses are give you an A to Z of ClickFunnels. So just finding out where everything is in ClickFunnels. And some back-end training, and then obviously you have the training from this that will kind of supplement it. We can jump on a call as well. You get a free call with myself, one of my team, and in that call we call it a blockbuster call, and it will kind of just like kind of break down where you're at and where you want to be, and we'll kind of chat through you know what this challenge could do to help you move forward in your journey. And then I'd actually give you the affiliate bridge funnel I've got underneath. So when you're starting an affiliate marketing, it's really essential that you don't just send traffic straight to your affiliate link. Number one, the affiliate links normally look horrible unless you have special software to do a redirect. You know, there's various programs you can use to do that, but you're not, you're trying to offer value. But if you just send them straight there, you know, you need to bridge them from where they're at. So they're sitting on the toilet, sitting at work or wherever they are, and suddenly you're talking about ClickFunnels, which is over here. You have to bridge them between, so the bridge page just kind of says you were here, now you're here, and I've got, some special offers for you. And then you send them over to the affiliate link. So that's kind of how it works. So yeah, we can help you with that for free if you sign up, via our link underneath. So you get a free course, you get a free call, free bridge funnel. It's a really nice starter pack, which will supplement all of this stuff anyway. So if you want extra bonuses, sign up via my link underneath. and we can jump on a call. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.